How to open a SoFi account online. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, simply search for sofi.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply tap on get started. And once you're inside here, you want to go ahead and type in your legal first name and your legal last name. Once you're here, type in your status, your email address, and as well as your password. Once you have typed it in, you want to go ahead and tap on verify you are a human, and then simply tick on this box to agree the terms and conditions of sofi.com. Once done, simply tap on next. And once you do all of that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on get started right over here. And just like that, once you tap onto it, you want to go ahead and declare your identity. You want to go ahead and type in your full name, your date of birth, and your SSN. Provide your legal residency status, and a utility bill or bank statement will suffice. And once it is done, a government issue photo ID will be needed, like your driver license and passport. And simply after that, you want to go ahead and choose your adventure. Decide between an individual and joint account. And once it is done, simply fund your quest. While there's no minimum deposit required, initiating a direct deposit can unlock higher interest rate and potential bonuses. After everything is done, you'll then be able to open a SoFi account online. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.